So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today is what is today? Today is Feb 19 and today is Friday. We are proceeding on to the weekend and let's have a look at gold first. And wait a minute. Okay, here we go. So before that, I'm gonna remove everything out. And in the last video, today's wait a minute. I'm just gonna go on to the forexfactory.com. What news do we have today? We have multiple news, but we are just looking at gold today, so we're gonna proceed on to do it none and अपन इसको USD कर देते हैं, ठीक है? 945 को फ्लैश मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पीएमआई है, फ्लैश सर्विसेज पीएमआई है, ओके? तो थोड़ा तो इम्पैक्ट आएगा ही उसका, तो वी विल बी अलर्ट। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपने पास ये डिमांड जोन था कि नहीं था ना? यहाँ से अपन ने टैप किया, देन वी वर सीकिंग आउट दिस लिक्विडिटी, ओके? वी आर सीकिंग आउट दिस लिक्विडिटी कि अपन ये हाई निकाले एंड अपन ने वो निकाला। अब जाके देख सकते हो वीडियोस पीछे के, एंड वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अपन हाई निकालेंगे यहाँ के, एंड निकाल दिया है अपन ने। एंड आफ्टर वी टुक आउट दिस हाई वी सेड वी गोना स्टॉप, वी गोना नॉट टुक take any, we're not gonna take any trades on the gold, we're gonna just sit with our hands folded. Because to make money in the markets, you need to sometimes sit with your hands folded and do nothing. Doing nothing is also doing everything in the market. So you need to have this patience, and that will be built through some self-control and some years of practice. Okay. Just when we tapped this, we proceeded on to take out this high, and I have a trade over here exactly at this demand level. I exited around here, around this level. That was a good trade for me, even though we took out this high and we had some extra moves over here, but I was able to take out a very good amount of profit on my prop firm account, and my account got around 6% up due to that trade. So I'm on phase one and at 6% up. So that's a really great news for me, right? So again, after that, let's proceed on to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, what is it showing? And if I'm fumbling and you're laughing, get the fuck out of my channel because I don't give a fuck. If you're here to learn something from me. And yes, as simple as that. So we tapped it into this and we want to take out this high, right? Okay. On the daily chart, I said that to you that we're going to pump from here on this day and on this day as well. So that was a really good setup for you. But after that, what I said was that after we take out this liquidity, we're gonna proceed on to reaching this liquidity, or before that we're gonna tap into this and then proceed on to take out the high. What happened over here is we took out the high and then we tapped in inside this fair value gap on the 4-hour chart. But what happened again? We went on to the consolidation, we went on to a range, right? We went on to a ranging market. So what happened over here is, again, I'm going to show it to you. Look at this. What is this? This is daily fair value gap. We're going to proceed further. We're going to take out this low and then move higher, right? वही हो रहा है ना? अपन ने जो 4-hour FVG टैप किया उसको अपन ने अभी liquidity consider कर लिया, and look at this wick over here. We are trying to proceed higher. This order block got respected over here, and now we are moving higher. And before that, I'll show that to you. What is this? This is good amount of liquidity, right? This is good amount of liquidity. And if I look onto the other charts, maybe on the other brokers, there were some good amount of liquidity over here as well. I'll show that to you, right? And we tapped onto this daily order block. So it's a very simple trade for you guys. If you want to get into this, you can have. But right now, if you need some confirmations, you can wait for the daily order block. And this thing should have supported the price lower. Since it is not able to support the price lower, what I'm thinking over here is we're going to send the price higher again. And how is it going to happen? Is it going to happen really nicely? Okay. really nicely. And we have already have this news that is flash services PMI, and it's around 557 and it's 6. So we still have a bit of time over here. We got 4 hours right now. And if we can get from this, we're gonna take out this high very, very soon. The high is gonna be taken out. I'm gonna be following the trend. I can place a trade over here. I'll just have a look at it, okay? I'll just have a look at it. And if the things are nice, if things are perfect, I'm gonna place my trade over here. So this is basically understanding of the markets. I switch between daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and place my trades around those levels. But I want some real confluences in the marketplace. So what I see over here is we have went through, but what I see again over here is the market is trying to build some liquidity around this level, again around this daily fair value gap. So what the market is suggesting is we maybe want to go higher, right? So we want to go higher. How are we going to go higher? Need some liquidity, and that is exactly what is happening over here. We have taken now the liquidity. हमने liquidity इधर निकाल दिया है and अपने को ऊपर जाना है and अपन जाएंगे through this. I'll just have a look at the other brokers as well to confirm that the market is seeking those highs. If you look at the daily chart, we have got some good movement from here, and the market, and it is suggesting that the market is gonna move higher. We wanted to close about this. At least we have broken this level, so yes. So you look onto the complications over here. The market should really go higher from here and make a new high. That is what I'm looking at, and that is what should happen. And I'll just add an order block over here. So this is the order block, and we started this order block at the 2 o'clock level. And look at this, the market tapped it into this and tapped it over here again, right? So this is a completely easy trade. We had a really great imbalance, tapped into the daily fair value gap, and we had some liquidity, right? So once you have that liquidity, look at this, man. Look at this. This is a very simple trade. If you can look at this, this is a very simple trade. The 5 minute fair value gap, tap into this, take out this high. As simple as that. But let's not get into the complications. And what I feel is we're gonna take out this high. But do I actually want to risk my money over here to take out this high and get into this all this complications, daily FVG, the multiple liquidity? Are just gonna wait for a really clear setup on the daily chart. What do I think? What will I do? I'll maybe wait for it, right? Why should I waste my what I say is gains on this simple trade? I'll just wait for a better setup. Even though it's trend, I'll just show you an example of this, okay? You'll know it. Look at this FVG getting tapped over here. We have tapped it, right? So what we want to take out? We're going to take out this high, right? That is what is exactly happening over here. Every order block was respected, right? Every order block was respected. And this is a new order block for you guys. This is a new order block. If we can sustain this level today, this is a new order block, and we're going to take out this high very soon. I just got a call, okay? I'll just ignore it. So a daily, we got to tap it over here. We have moved higher. Again, we are tapped into the daily FVG and we are moving higher again. So what is happening over here? We're going to take out this high. I don't want to look for reversals. The best opportunity over here is looking for buys from here. And if you're looking for sells, you're trying to catch a reversal. And my boy, trying to catch a reversal is the worst thing in the marketplace. Just let the market come below, or to just let the market seek buy side, sell side liquidity, okay, when you are in an uptrend, and then get into the marketplace. And if you look at this, This is an absolutely amazing setup over here. I'm telling you guys. If this order block gets validated by the next candle and we form an FVG around this level, then this can be really, really nice for you guys. Okay, and 347, so it's just gonna be 10 o'clock candle. Okay, so it's gonna open at 10 o'clock the next candle. So 4 hour is not happening for you guys before the news, so nothing worth it on that particular time frame of the chart. Let's look at the other brokers. This was an inside candle. Okay, just for your, this is the trade which you can take. If you tap in, if you close above this down close candle, you can give your SL at this level and potentially target this highs. Asia, London low, tap into the daily FVG, New York session, 1.6 RR maybe. Looks really nice, yes, well, right? Looks really nice. And it's 56 minutes more for this candle. So you can get a 1.5 RR setup over here. Maybe I will place it as well, but depends, okay? I'm not really sure if I want to place it or not. I'll just look at the conditions during the news and then I will place it. So I'll just wait for the market to confirm the institutional order flow, then I'll place it. I'll let you know if I'm gonna place it today or I'll see, okay? I'll see. Since there is a news, we can get a good one single candle or two candles which are really, really nice since we tapped this daily FVG and proceed on to make a new high as well. And if you look at this, this is balanced price delivery. The wicks have been balanced and maybe we will close about this wick by today, this week as well. So let's see how things unfold for us. But the market looks really nice to us, okay? And हम लोग को क्या करना है, देखते हैं, देखते हैं, ठीक है, देखते हैं, हाँ, क्या करना है देखते हैं, फिर कल या फिर परसों देखते हैं या फिर मंडे को ही डायरेक्ट करता हूँ मैं, जो भी हुआ देखते हैं, ठीक है ना। बट मैं इस ट्रेड पर रियली श्योर नहीं हूँ कि मुझे लगाना है कि नहीं, तो शायद मैं नहीं लगाऊंगा या फिर लगाऊंगा तो भी बहुत ही कम रिस्क परसेंटेज रखूंगा, क्योंकि मेरे को अपने अकाउंट के प्रॉफिट्स उड़ाने नहीं है, राइट। मेरे को उड़ाने नहीं है, इसलिए मैं वैसे ही करूंगा। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अंटिल देन टेक केयर। ओके, चलो गाइस, बाय।